I thank the Royal Academy of Science International Trust for inviting me to speak on this important occasion. I am firmly committed to supporting the work of RASIT and the International Day of Women and Girls in Science. RASIT has been a great actor and partner in promoting the importance of women and girls in science and science education, and I commend and congratulate Her Royal Highness Princess Dr. Nisreen El-Hashemite for her excellent work. The empowerment of women and girls through higher participation in science is critical to reaching the world we want by 2030. The spread of information and communication technologies and scientific and technological innovation has made the achievement of all the ambitious sustainable development goals within our grasp. Poverty eradication, sustainable agriculture, health medicine, energy for all, water, sustainable infrastructure, and sustainable cities are all science and technology driven. Unfortunately, we are facing a backward slide in the number of women filling science-based roles. Girls are less likely to consider a career in computer science, physics, or engineering now as more than 100 years ago. In OECD countries, only 14% of young women entering higher education in 2012 chose science-related fields of study, compared with 39% of young men. In tertiary education, data from UNESCO Institute for Statistics show that almost 70% of those studying education were female, compared to only 25% of those studying engineering, manufacturing, and construction. In the United States of America, women filled 47% of all US jobs in 2015, but held only 24% of STEM jobs. UN provides no shortage of numbers, facts, and figures to illustrate that the STEM gender gap, and it does not take much to observe the consequence in research, in innovation, and engineering areas, which often carry clear gender biases, shaping tomorrow's world and our future. Achieving the SDGs through technological upgradation and innovation implies that we need more women in STEM. The McKinsey Global Institute has estimated that advancing gender equality could add $12 trillion per year to the world economy by 2025. What can be done to encourage women to enter STEM fields? Firstly, initiatives to encourage girls and women to take up STEM subjects needs to be multiplied. Highlighting the stories of the lives of successful women in science is essential to encouraging more women to take up positions in STEM. Secondly, getting women into STEM fields is important. Keeping them in these fields is arguably even more crucial. Gender equality is a topic close to my heart, and UNITAR has been actively participating in the promotion of gender equality and parity programs, both externally and internally within its own staff body. UNITAR's Women's Leadership Program has so far reached over 400 participants worldwide and has begun with a focus on promoting women's participation in science and technology policy bodies, including helping delegations to the World Meteorological Congress, the International Telecommunications Union, and the World Intellectual Property Organization. I strongly believe that gender parity will only be achieved if we act together on multiple fronts, through multiple channels, with multiple tools, and with multiple means. Building awareness about gender equality and women's empowerment principles and their relationship to human development is essential. UNITAR looks forward to working together with RASIT through its Science Princess Global Campaign for Women and Girls in Science, and we express our sincere thanks and appreciation to Princess Nisreen for this opportunity and a strong leadership in organizing this celebration of the International Day of Women and Girls in Science. These decisions and outcomes of this forum and the work of RASIT will undoubtedly impact the lives of many women and girls around the world. I wish you a successful and fruitful conference. Thank you very much.